In front of me is iPad 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view, and then opening the dock by holding this line at the bottom and dragging it up. Now select one of those apps, hold the chosen one and drag it to the top. Then click on those three dots at the top of it, select Split View, decide if you wish to use this app on the left or on the right, and wait. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the left or to the right and close this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!